How do lower wages make travel harder for people?
So we all know that traveling is required saving up. So with a lower wages, I think it's hard to set aside money for future trips because in my opinion, when people earn less, a bigger part of their income goes toward necessities like bills, like rents, and also groceries, or even transportation. So I think that leaves to a little or no room for saving up, especially for something like travels that we often know that it's really expensive one.
How does a bad economy affect people's travel plan?
So a bad economy can affect people's travel plan in several ways. So for me, one of this is that when an economy is down, people spend less money on non-essentials like travels. So tighter budget may result from job losses or even fewer working hours. So in addition, inflation also, it often accompanies economic downturn, so making the hotels, the flights, or other travel expenses more expensive. So it can also discourage people from traveling, and also it can lead them to seek cheaper alternatives.
Santo Niño, or the Holy Child, is a religious icon in the Philippines and specifically in Cebu. Welcome to Santo Niño.
significant landmarks in Cebu. Welcome to Fort San Pedro.
this place where Ferdinand Magellan planted a cross in 1521 when he arrived in the Philippines. Welcome to Magellan's Cross.